Hello and welcome to Baby TV. Oh no. Hello kids. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, Kinder Surprise egg! I love Kinder Surprise eggs! I will open it. Okay. Eh-oh. My name is Dipsy. Eh-oh. Hello, Nunu. Eh-oh, what is this, Nunu? What is this? What? Oh, what is this? Okay, come back. Surprise egg. This is surprise egg. Oh, cool. This is a surprise egg. Oh. What is this? Dipsy and Nunu, what is this? Surprise egg. Oh, cool. Surprise egg. I will open it. No. This is my surprise egg. I will open it. I will open my surprise egg. I will open it. Oh, stand here. Okay. No. Stand here, please. Stand here. Oh no, please stand here. Okay, cool. I will open it right now. Okay. Oh, stand here. Okay, stand here right now. Stand here right now. Okay. Oh no, stand here. Oh, stand here. Okay, I will try to open it. But this is very difficult. Okay, with my eye. Oh no, this is very difficult with my eye. Okay, now. Okay. Dipsy. Please help me. Dipsy, open the surprise egg. Okay. Oh, I open the surprise egg. Okay. I will do this right like this. Okay. Oh, that's very difficult. Okay. Oh, I think I can do it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now this side. I try to this. Oh, my arms. Okay. Again. Oh. Okay. Now. Okay. That's faster when I open it. Okay, let's look what is inside. Oh, chocolate. My chocolate. Oh, no, wait. Here's your second chocolate. Okay, I open it and I look what is inside. Check. Oh, cool. What's that? That's an animal. On an animal. Ooh, you can put it on your finger. Okay. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye. Uh-oh.